The sun, all the earth, has seen the glory of the sun. Even when we can't see it directly, the effects of the sun on our world is visible. The wind, the waves, every bit of life in nature is at least in part because of the sun. Some might say that we don't give the sun enough credit for what it does, for what he does. Some would even say we couldn't, even if we tried. No one has ever earned the sun, and yet the sun shines on everyone just the same. No favoritism, no inequality, no shame. Thankfully, the sun won't change based on our opinion of him or anyone else. The fact of the matter is that the earth experienced its darkest moment when we rejected the sun. But then something happened. Something impossible happened. He rose again. You see, he will always rise again, and he will never change. He has given himself to you regardless of how you look, how you feel, your race, your gender, your family, where you're from, or what you've done, who you've hurt, or who you've been hurt by, even how you treat him. God never brought the sun so that we would be indebted to him. He did it because he loves you. The most true love that will ever exist. The sun rose so that you and I could also rise, so that you and I and all the earth could see the love of God in the glory of the sun.